Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So another property na sa tab, but this one is for rent. Char. Okay, good. So this is a bungalow house here in Manalili, Cebu. Let's go. Let's run through the exterior. So this will be their back. Then it has access going to the kitchen. By the way, the property is about 100 square meter and has a car park. There's an access. And it has a huge, it can be dining area or just call this living area. Dining and living area. There. It has own gate, very near to the highway over there. Highway na naman. First choice. There. So this house for rent is ideal for those who have cars, and it's only 27,000 per month. Okay, our first bedroom. This is a 3-bedroom house. Let's go to the second one. This one is huge. Look at that. So huge. It's like a master's bedroom with cabinet. And then one toilet and bath. By the way, this house is located near SM Seaside. Yes. So for the 27,000 per month, water and electricity is not included. So the tenant will shoulder all of it, okay? But this is all we have. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and see you on the next video. Bye.